In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Zoom in Google Calendar 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the Zoom add-on from your calendar so it no longer appears in the side panel. This won't delete your Zoom account or remove existing Zoom links from your events. It only disconnects the add-on inside Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing into the correct Google account. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the one where the Zoom add-on is showing. Once the calendar homepage loads, you'll see your schedule in the main area. Now shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There's a vertical side panel with small icons stacked on top of each other. This panel typically includes tools like tasks and keep, and if it's installed, the Zoom icon. Look toward the upper portion of the lower half of that panel until you spot the Zoom icon. Click the Zoom icon. A panel or pop-up for the Zoom add-on will open. Inside that panel, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the top right corner of the add-on window. That three-dot menu is the More Actions menu for this integration. Click the three dots and choose Manage Add-on. This will take you to the Zoom for Google Workspace page in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the settings for the add-on you currently have installed. On the Zoom for Google Workspace page, find the Uninstall option. Click Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to remove the app from your account. Read the message so you know what's changing. Again, this only removes the calendar add-on and won't cancel existing Zoom meetings. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Uninstall app in the prompt. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation that the add-on has been removed. Return to Google Calendar and refresh the page. The Zoom icon should now be gone from the right side panel. If it still appears, try another refresh. Occasionally, it takes a moment for the change to sync. If you're using a work or school account and the uninstall option wasn't available, your organization may manage this add-on, so you might need to contact your administrator. You've successfully uninstalled Zoom from Google Calendar. If you ever want it back, you can reinstall it from the Google Workspace Marketplace at any time.